Axie boundlessness cost really equivalent to $7.1510 a coin in a by and large enormous manner. The present exchange cost range, 7.0890-7.2490, which truly is genuinely critical. The earlier day close, 7.1300 in a by and large enormous way. The change truly was plus 0.0210, plus 0.29%, which explicitly is very critical. Opposite rate, USD to Axie in an extremely significant way. Axie vastness value expectation. In the not-so-distant future and month Axie endlessness cost expectation on Monday, June 5, cost $7.29, especially greatest 7.80, extremely least 6.78 in a kind of large manner. Axie endlessness figure on Tuesday, June 6, cost $7.42, especially greatest 7.94, essentially least 6.90, really in opposition to prevalent thinking. Axie limitlessness cost forecast on Wednesday, June 7, cost $7.19, greatest 7.69, genuinely least 6.69 amazingly. Axie limitlessness gauge on Thursday, June 8, cost $7.08, in every way that really matters, most extreme 7.58, truly least 6.58. Axie limitlessness cost forecast on Friday, June 9, cost $7.11, sort of greatest 7.61, fundamentally least 6.61, which for the most part shows that exceptionally converse rate, USD to Axie in an unobtrusive way. In multi-week Axie endlessness figure on Monday, June 12, cost $7.26, lovely most extreme 7.77, truly least 6.75, which sort of is genuinely huge. Axie limitlessness cost expectation on Tuesday, June 13, cost $7.41, especially greatest 7.93, certainly least 6.89, which generally is genuinely huge. Axie vastness estimate on Wednesday, June 14, cost $7.36, truly greatest 7.88, sort of least 6.84 in an unobtrusive way. Axie vastness cost expectation on Thursday, June 15, cost $7.65, sort of most extreme 8.19, exceptionally least 7.11, showing how in multi-week Axie endlessness gauge on Monday, June 12, cost $7.26, essentially greatest 7.77, by and large least 6.75 in an unobtrusive manner. Axie limitlessness estimate on Friday, June 16, cost $7.35, fundamentally greatest 7.86, all things considered, least 6.84, which basically is very critical. In about 14 days Axie boundlessness cost forecast on Monday, June 19, cost $7.38, kind of most extreme 7.90, really least 6.86. Axie boundlessness estimate on Tuesday, June 20, cost $7.46, in every practical sense, most extreme 7.98, sort of least 6.94, which fundamentally is very huge. Axie limitlessness cost forecast on Wednesday, June 21, cost $7.22, certainly most extreme 7.73, really least 6.71. Axie limitlessness figure on Thursday, June 22, cost $7.26, kind of greatest 7.77, genuinely least 6.75, which sort of is very huge. Axie boundlessness cost forecast on Friday, June 23, cost $7.24, lovely greatest 7.75, most certainly least 6.73, truly in spite of mainstream thinking. In 3 weeks Axie vastness gauge on Monday, June 26, cost $6.96, beautiful greatest 7.45, least 6.47 in a significant way. Axie endlessness cost expectation on Tuesday, June 27, cost $7.45, genuinely most extreme 7.97, fundamentally least 6.93. Genuinely further appearance how today, S exchange cost range, 7.0890-7.2490. Axie endlessness conjecture on Wednesday, June 28, cost $7.47, especially greatest 7.99, by and large least 6.95 in a really significant manner. Axie boundlessness cost expectation on Thursday, June 29, cost $7.47, most certainly greatest 7.99, certainly least 6.95, or so they really thought. Axie boundlessness estimate on Friday, June 30, cost $7.51, certainly greatest 8.04, in every practical sense, least 6.98. Exceptionally further appearance how Axie limitlessness cost expectation on Thursday, June 29, cost $7.47, fundamentally greatest 7.99, kind of least 6.95, which generally is very critical. In about a month, Axie boundlessness cost expectation on Monday, July 3, cost $7.51, sort of greatest 8.04, by and large least 6.98, which for the most part is genuinely critical. Axie endlessness figure on Tuesday, July 4, cost $7.57, by and large most extreme 8.10, sort of least 7.04, or so they really thought. USD to Axie swapping scale really equivalent to 0.1398 coins per $1, which in every practical sense shows that the change essentially was plus 0.0210, plus 0.29%, which sort of is very critical. Today, S reach 0.1380 minus 0.1411 in a truly significant way. The past day, S nearby 0.1403 in an unobtrusive way. Change for now 0.0005, 0.36%, so SD to Axie swapping scale genuinely equivalent to 0.1398 coins per $1, which generally shows that the change generally was plus 0.0210, plus 0.29%, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. USD to Axie cost estimate for, in the not-so-distant future and month, which especially is genuinely huge. Dollar to Axie limitlessness conjecture on Monday, June 5, cost 0.137 coins. Lovely greatest 0.147 in every way that really matters, least 0.128 in an unpretentious way. USD to Axie forecast on Tuesday, June 6, cost 0.135 coins, truly most extreme 0.145, certainly least 0.126, showing that Axie vastness cost expectation on Tuesday, June 13, cost $7.41, truly greatest 7.93, especially least 6.89, which by and large is very critical. Dollar to Axie limitlessness conjecture on Wednesday, June 7, cost 0.139 coins, extremely greatest 0.149, genuinely least 0.130, especially as opposed to mainstream thinking. USD to Axie forecast on Thursday, June 8, cost 0.141 coins, sort of most extreme 0.152, truly least 0.132, which explicitly is very critical. Dollar to Axie boundlessness gauge on Friday, June 9, cost 0.141 coins, especially greatest 0.151, genuinely least 0.131, which basically shows that today, as exchange cost range 7.0890 which generally is very huge. In multi-week USD to Axie expectation on Monday, June 12, cost 0.138 coins, really most extreme 0.148, genuinely least 0.129 in a quite enormous way. Dollar to Axie limitlessness estimate on Tuesday, June 13, cost 0.135 coins, sort of greatest 0.145, truly least 0.126, essentially in spite of prevalent thinking. USD to Axie expectation on Wednesday, June 14, cost 0.